but I'm balling. Roll up to the sundown, roll up to the sundown with Bali, roll up to the sundown with that.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for like the bad lighting right now. We wind up doing this on a very rainy day. Today we are going to be doing the Pancake Art Challenge featuring my brother Cordell, and we're not going to get too much into him because I'm going to be doing in a whole nother video. I'm going to be doing meeting the siblings, and that's going to be a full video by itself talking about them. So if y'all have questions, y'all can put them down below because it's like, what, 12 of us, I think. It's a lot and I lose count. So anyways, we could get straight to the video. So let's go. All right, we're back and we got the pancake mix. We have the red one. We got the blue one. We got the yellow one. We got the green one. And we got the orange one. And can't forget the black. Put it in between. And like we put them in. I didn't really know how to do this because it's like not really that simple on. Yeah. But we made the pancake mix and we put it in a cup and we mixed it with some food coloring. And we're gonna use these little, they don't go to it, but these are like turkey injectors. And like we both don't really like a lot of the same things or whatever, so we're not gonna do it like both of us have to make it and see who did better. It's just gonna be like we're gonna make some pancakes and then we're gonna see whose collection is better. So okay, and we're back. Okay, so we have these little things. If we want like perfect circles, it's like pancake thingamajigs. And then we have like these little heaters. So that's gonna help us be able to do it just right here. And mine is actually on, but I don't know. Then we got our plates, spatulas. Show your spatula. And then some butter, of course. Okay. Let's go. I don't know what I'm gonna make first. Okay, let me start with the easiest thing. We need to check and see if it's oh, I forgot. Thank you for my spatula. Oh, it cut off. It cut off. Okay, I got my butter in there sizzling because you know how we do it. Yep. The thing was, we was gonna use the same pusher for the same color. That's gonna melt. Oh, that was mine? Whoa! I thought it was. Okay. cooking fairly slow, but it's okay.
Just for the red/pink.
You gotta know when to bet it goes slow. Yay for me!
Yep, yay for you. This gonna make it cool. Competition show. I'm finna make a fidget spinner. No, it's just for my fun.
Sure. Okay. As you can see, like he's quick with it, but we got it coming. Just wait. Just give me a little minute. I had a bit of a disclaimer with my first one, but I'm up and running. One down, another one to go. I actually need some more reds going in because I have a special product. I mean, a special little thing for all my subscribers. What's that sound?
Something special for us.
Try to do a square, but the fact that like pancakes usually come out circular, I don't know how that's gonna work. So,
Gotcha what? That was a quick reaction.
of course, I burn myself. Leave it up to Asia to burn herself.
Simply Asia. Ooh,
I'm sorry. I didn't burn him. I didn't pour something in there. Y'all, this just ain't for me.
that's my seat. Hold up, let me flip it. The stuff not letting me. It's not coming out how I want it.
Nah, I'm joking.
Can't fall all night. That's a perfect goal, though. Look at that old agent.
It's great.
Y'all wanna stop getting burned? I want to. But not today, big fella.
Nice, huh?
Man, y'all need to see that.
Hold on.
Woo! Y'all see, she left for anything.
Let's see if y'all can. Boom. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
She
Tried to
messed it
show
up.
y'all, and I messed it
Y'all
up.
should have
That's
saw
it.
that. Yep.
This ain't really like doing what I wanted it to. Ooh!
Oh!
fish more than a flower. So I think I'm gonna cheat and call this a starfish. A fish. Instead of what I really tried to make.
Cheater.
The videos I said I'm gonna do in the small YouTuber tag, it's not limited to that. So like if y'all have any other challenges y'all want me to try or anything, then y'all could most definitely like comment down below. And you could also subscribe if you're new here and like, of course. If you liked it, because I'm not forcing anything. So like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all enjoyed him, also comment that. We may do another video together. And I am going to add a picture of
Our pancakes.
our finishes. So, bye.